Welcome to our new location of Momentum Spine and Sports Physiotherapy in Windermere.
I am Shahnaz Sheikh. I'm a physiotherapist here at Momentum Spine and Sport Physiotherapy.
My name's Dana Kisser. I'm one of the registered massage therapists here.
I'm Tasha. I'm a registered massage therapist here at Momentum.
Hey, whatever your goals are, we can help you to achieve that in Momentum Spine and Sports Physiotherapy. Check out our new location at Windermere. See you soon.